Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about trademarks and one of the requirements of trademarks that makes it a strong mark and an acceptable mark for registration. A trademark is required by the Trademarks Act to be distinctive, and what that means is that it actually denotes the goods to the public. The purpose of the Trademark Act is to protect the public so that they know that the goods that they're getting are associated with Joe X. There's a secondary purpose of the Act, which is to protect the rights of sellers, but the primary purpose is to protect consumers. And to do this, the Act requires that there's an association between the goods and the vendor. And so it imposes the requirement of distinctiveness. A distinctive mark is something that is different and unique. It can be a uniquely coined word. A good example of that is Xerox. It's a word that didn't exist before, it was made up, and people won't associate it with something else. Another example is a word that is not commonly used in association with that product. So Greyhound for buses is a good example. Greyhound for pet services would not be a distinctive mark, but Greyhound for buses, great. Um, a corollary to distinctiveness is descriptiveness. Distinctiveness is good, descriptiveness is bad. Descriptiveness is where the word is commonly associated with the product. The Trademarks Office won't let you have a word like that. So a good example is cold for ice cream. Nobody should be given a monopoly over the word cold because it is inherent in the nature of ice cream to be cold. So distinctiveness is good, descriptiveness is bad. That works in two ways. The Trademarks Office will disallow your mark if you apply for registration and it is descriptive. And also, if it is descriptive, it won't be a strong mark even if it does get registered, or if it's an unregistered mark, it won't be strong as against other marks. So I hope that helps when you're coming up with names for your marks. Talk to your branding people and try to think of a mark that is totally unique and isn't commonly associated with the words. Thanks very much.